What's up, y'all? I just about to get my plants over there in the flower, but I moved my old veg table, which was half of this, basically a 3x3 table, over into my flower room to use over there to flower some of the plants I have. So I decided to redo my little veg tent here with this table. Like I said, it's twice the size. I'm pretty sure this is how my veg table is gonna, or veg tent is gonna be from now on. I'm basically just gonna hook up these old lines, which I was using on the old table. So this is the return line coming into the return there, the middle, and these two are the drain lines coming off the end there. I already put in the bulkheads. These are all half-inch bulkheads. And let me go ahead and hook these lines up, and I'll come back and I'm basically going to use the same stuff I had over here before. Just going to put this on top over there for the foresight veg area, and then I'm going to have an option over here to put random crap. Who knows what? Either my Hydroponic cloner, if I'm making clones, or maybe mothers. I'm not sure, but I'm going to go ahead and tap off this line and run lines over here for it. But anyway, right now I'm going to go ahead and hook up all these bottom, the two drains and the return line. And I'm going to start working on the rest of this table, which shouldn't take long at all. It's going to be a quick video, and we'll show you what I got here at the end. Alright, this is a good time to make this part of the video while I'm down here. I just got done hooking up all the lines to the bottom of the table. Here's the return, water going in there like that. And there are the two drains, and everything is flowing back into the reservoir over there. Obviously I have these pipe insulators on here because when it's super hot and humid in here, these lines will drip all over the floor if I let them, because they're cold and the air around them is hot and moist, and it condensates crazy and drips everywhere. But anyway, that's the bottom here. Got the, like I said, return, the two drains, and I'll be not coming back down here for a while, hopefully. I'm done here, so I'm going to go back upstairs and finish the pipes and RODI stuff up top, and that'll be a wrap. In like a second. Hey, there you go. Freaking done. There were no updates here. I just threw this thing together, and now I'll show you what I did. So I used the same 4-way split and RODI, like basically a manifold configuration. I basically chopped this off that old system that I used over there and put it straight on here. But what I did different is I gave an extra option to run some water over to the other end of this table right here. So I've got, obviously the water is coming up here, tees off, and it's going this way. Actually, I'm going to close this valve now because I'm probably going to go ahead and tighten it up as well. And go ahead and turn the pump on real quick just to run the water in here, make sure no leaks or anything stupid, but there shouldn't be any leaks, but you never know. So I'm going to close that one, but this is, if I ever need water, I'm probably going to run something like one of these, the half-inch to half-inch metal thread to this RDI tubing piece here. Just run it off the end of here, and then run RDI tubing to whatever I need over there, because this stuff is so easy to work with. I can put it on one day and chop it off and change it. It takes no time. Like I can build anything in here to go to any plant I want with the RO tubing in 5 minutes. I can put it to 6 other plants. I can put it to, no problem. But yeah, so that's what this is for. Basically, probably gonna put RO fittings on there to go this way out to the other plants if I have any other plants over there. But for now, this is for the 4 plants that go into my RDWC system. This is the top fed main veg area top fed that feeds these 4 plants that go over and displace my 4 plants in the RDWC system. But yeah, so got a ting off this side for the other options. Here's the main valve. Just a little redundancy. I don't really need this ball valve here, but it just makes things simpler. So I can, with a ball valve, I can spin anything. Oops. When I have a ball valve on something, a ball valve union, excuse me, it makes it where I can spin anything, any direction I want without changing the PVC. I can move it around however I want, which is how I like things, kind of modular and versatile. But yeah, so go ahead and tighten these up a little bit. Obviously, I'm not going to get them perfect in the right spot right now, but close enough. I have them in their 4 quadrants here. And that's it. So it goes up here. Like I said, that's a little redundant because I've already got these valves on every site here. But redundancy is good. But anyway, let me turn on the pump here and see how actually the pump's already on. It's just going through the chiller right now, but I'll go ahead and turn on the valve. Make sure I'm not going to do anything stupid here. Yeah, everything's fine. Everything's connected underneath. Let's turn on the pump and see how it works, which if it doesn't work, it's going to be depressing or interestingly, I don't know. It'd be weird if it didn't work right now, let's put it that way. There we go, there's a decent amount of flow, hopefully. Enough to get up there already? Yep, there it is. Oops. Splashing out through the bins already, so there you go. That's how it's going to work, just like that. Coming out of there. I can turn off any one site. Sorry. Hard to... There we go. So I can turn off any one site at any one time. So if I don't have a plant here, I can turn this one off, leave the rest of them running. If I don't have any plants here, I can turn them all off. But this is pretty much how it's going to run. I'll have 4 plants going. What I might need to do is I might need to lift the table up a little more, but it looks like it's running down the right direction. I might need to slant the table a little more though. But either way, that's it. That's how this puppy's going to work. That is super splashy over there. Obviously it's splashing a little hard because it's not in the net pot going the way it should. It's just splashing on the edge of the bucket there. But that's the way it's supposed to work. Get good water flow everywhere. If I want, I can take extra water and put it over there to whatever I want to take it to. But there you go. If you watched this far, I appreciate you watching. This is going to be in use fairly soon here if I ever start some more seeds. I'm not sure when I'm going to do that. But yeah, it's ready for the next grow. And this is hopefully is the way my veg tent is going to be set up for, I don't know. Hopefully it'll stay like this for a long time because I feel like this is a pretty good configuration and this will suit my needs for hopefully as long as I need it to. But anyway, like I said, if you watched this far, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back soon enough growing this thing. I'm sure it'll grow fine because I have this exact same configuration and it grew fine before. So that's it. And I appreciate you watching this far. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.